Hello and welcome to VidMah. I'm Animal. Today, we dive into AI podcasting, transforming content creation. Is complex recording a thing of the past? In 2025, AI makes podcasting easier, faster, and truly extraordinary. Discover what AI podcasting is, its importance for creators, and how PodGorilla is a game changer. Let's explore the future.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting episode of VidMah Presents PodGorilla Mastery. I'm Thompson, and if you joined us last time, you know we unpacked the transformative impact of AI on content creation and how PodGorilla lets you create podcasts without the traditional hassle of recording. Today, I'm thrilled to delve even deeper into the practical side of things with guest Brian. We're going to explore exactly how you can craft your first podcast episode, turning text into talk with PodGorilla like magic. So, Brian, are you ready to transform a simple text into engaging audio content?
Absolutely, Thompson. I think it's one of the most exciting opportunities for aspiring podcasters out there. The ability for anyone to take written content and repurpose it into a podcast is not just convenient, it's revolutionary. Think about the numerous blog posts, articles, and even personal writings just waiting to be shared in a new, auditory form.
Exactly, Brian. And that's what makes PodGorilla such a game changer. Before we jump into specifics, let's take a moment to explore why this approach to podcasting is so significant. We're talking about creating fresh content from existing resources, which is an excellent strategy for content creators looking to expand their reach. The beauty lies in its simplicity and efficiency.
Definitely, Thompson. Reusing content not only gives it a new life, but also taps into different audience preferences. While some people love reading, others might prefer listening while driving or doing chores. This versatility can significantly broaden your audience base without having to constantly create new material from scratch.
Well said, Brian. That's precisely why understanding the different content sources within PodGorilla is critical. You have the flexibility to use a custom topic, upload a document, or even convert a page URL into a podcast episode. It's perfect for anyone at any stage of content creation.
And from the creator standpoint, Thompson, these options are incredibly user-friendly. Imagine starting with a blank slate using the custom topic feature. You simply jot down an idea, and PodGorilla uses AI to draft your content. And if you already have a written piece, uploading it to transform into audio is a breeze.
Right. And think about the page URL feature. Have you ever stumbled upon a fantastic article and thought it'd be perfect as a podcast? With PodGorilla, you just copy the URL, and it converts the content into a ready-to-use audio script. It's truly innovative.
Which is amazing for content repurposing, no doubt. But how about we walk through creating an episode using PodGorilla to put these ideas into action? Perhaps someone wants to transform their blog post into a podcast. What's the step-by-step process they would follow?
Great idea, Brian. So, we start by selecting the content source. Let's choose the Upload Document option. Assuming our listener has a blog post ready to go. First, they give their episode a captivating name because, as we know, titles are the first hook for listeners.
Absolutely. A good title is everything in drawing in the audience. Once the name is set, what's next?
The next step is choosing the podcast guests or narrators. This is where it gets fun, because you can add your voice clone or select from a library of AI voices, ensuring the narration matches the tone and style you envision.
Customizing the voice is such a cool feature. Imagine having the flexibility to adjust the delivery based on the content's mood or the audience's preference. It truly allows for a personalized experience.
Exactly, Brian. Once the voices are chosen, we move on to selecting the podcast type and tone. Whether it's an interview style, an educational piece, or something casual and humorous, setting this guides the AI in structuring your episode.
That's vital, because those settings essentially shape how the content will feel to the listener. Choosing the right tone ensures that the podcast resonates and retains engagement throughout.
Are you ready to create stunning podcasts without the hassle? Introducing PodGorilla, the revolutionary AI-powered platform that lets you generate professional podcasts without writing or recording a single word. Maximize your reach with automated content, seamless publishing to Spotify and YouTube, and even video conversion for social media. Stop struggling. Start creating. Visit vidmah.com/PodGorilla today and revolutionize your audio content.
Absolutely. And having set everything up, you hit submit. PodGorilla's AI takes it from there, generating a script and audio file. The beauty of it all is in the seamless refinement process. You can make minor adjustments, tweak the pronunciation, or even swap voices.
The flexibility is a huge plus. For someone who might be concerned about software complexity or technical setups, PodGorilla's offer is just a few steps away from producing polished audio content, and all without needing a sound engineer or a recording booth.
It really democratizes the podcasting space, doesn't it? No background in audio production is required. Just your creativity and content. By bridging this gap, aspiring podcasters can focus on what they do best, expressing their ideas while letting PodGorilla handle the heavy lifting.
It certainly levels the playing field, Thompson. From personal projects to professional businesses amplifying their brand voice, it's incredibly empowering. Any anecdotes, maybe, from users who've successfully transitioned their text to audio with PodGorilla?
I'm glad you asked, Brian. There are countless success stories. Take Jane, a travel blogger, for example. She had pages of blog content just sitting there, and now she converts her stories into podcasts, reaching travelers who prefer listening to adventures on the go. Another case is Mike, a financial advisor who repurposes his newsletter insights into podcast episodes, capturing a new demographic of busy clients.
Those stories are inspiring. It's clear PodGorilla is opening new avenues for engagement and monetization, which is fundamentally shifting how we approach content creation. People can harness AI to expand beyond textual limitations and enter the booming podcast space with ease.
True, Brian. Whether you're a hobbyist or aiming to make podcasting a core strategy of your brand, PodGorilla provides the tools needed to reach audiences where they are. It's not just about audio. It's about creating meaningful connections and delivering your message in a way that resonates.
Agreed, Thompson. It's an exciting time for creators of all levels. I'm truly looking forward to seeing how listeners of this podcast will take these insights and start their own podcast journey with PodGorilla. The simplicity and convenience of it all are just amazing.
It is indeed, Brian. And for our listeners, if you're feeling inspired today, remember that your podcasting adventure is just a few clicks away. Whether you're giving existing content new wings or starting fresh from an idea, PodGorilla is here to take you on that journey. Thanks for joining us on this episode of VidMah. I'm Thompson, and I've been chatting with Brian. We'll catch you next time as we continue to explore the wonders of AI-powered content creation. Happy podcasting.
That wraps up our first insightful episode. I hope you now understand AI podcasting's potential and PodGorilla's power. We've just begun exploring its future. To follow our 10-episode series, subscribe to VidMah, like, share, and comment to stay with us. All links in the description. Click or visit to learn more. Thanks for tuning in.